In today's video, I'm going to show you how to vector trace an image step by step using three powerful methods: brightness cutoff, edge detection, and autotrace. If you've ever wanted to turn a raster image into a clean, scalable vector for logos, illustrations, or design work, this is exactly what you need. I'll walk you through each method so you can decide which one works best for your project. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First up is the brightness cutoff method. Start by selecting your image, then press Alt plus Shift plus B on your keyboard to open the Trace bitmap panel. This is where all the magic happens. Inside the panel, go to the single scan tab and choose brightness cutoff. What this does is convert your image into a black and white vector based on light intensity. Now adjust the threshold slider. This setting controls how much of the image becomes black versus white. Lower values will keep more white areas, while higher values will convert more of the image into solid black. You'll want to tweak this until you get a clean silhouette or strong contrast depending on your goal. Once you're happy with the preview, click Apply. The software will generate a vector version directly on top of your original image. You can drag it aside to compare and delete the original if needed. Next, let's look at edge detection. With your image still selected, go back into the Trace bitmap panel and switch the detection mode to edge detection. This method focuses on finding the borders between colors rather than filling areas. Adjust the threshold again, but this time you're aiming to capture clean outlines. Lower values may miss details, while higher values can create too many rough edges, so find a balance that gives you smooth, usable lines. Once it looks good, click Apply. You'll now have a vector made up of outlines, which is perfect for sketches, line art, or designs where you only need the edges. Finally, we have Autotrace. In the Trace bitmap panel, open the detection mode dropdown and select Autotrace. This is a more advanced option that tries to detect shapes based on contours rather than just brightness or edges. Unlike the other methods, this one relies more on the software's internal calculations, so you don't have as many manual controls. Simply click Apply and let it process. The result is often more detailed and can capture complex shapes better, but depending on your image, it may need a bit of cleanup afterward, and that's it. You now know 3 different ways to vector trace your images, each with its own strengths depending on what you're working on. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more easy guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.